video, I will show you how to create CRM support ticket form. First, you need to click Add-on, Coffee Form, and Load Form Template. You can search CRM support. After you found it, just click Load Selected Template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. And now refresh the page. Click Coffee Form and Get Link, and then click Continue, and then choose your account. After that, you can click Advance and go to Coffee Form. And now click Allow here, and you will get a link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also custom the questions or anything in the form. Like for example, here I want to insert new row. I use date, for example here, and I change it into date, and go to your form, and it will show like this, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Also, you can change, for example here I want to change it into radio button, and for example gender. Don't forget to fill the option too. For example here male or female, so it will show like this in the form. Also, you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear. And go to setting to change your background color, and it will change instantly and easily. Also, I want to change the style of the title. For example here I delete the mark behavior code, and now the title is stuck like that. Thank you.